Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create Shopify product upsells. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So creating Shopify product upsells are pretty simple. So first what you need to do is you're gonna head over to search bar and search in here for upsell, and once you do, you can see we have that in our app store. Jump right onto that, and we have essential, upsell, and cross sell. We have upsell, cross sell, so easy. So I recommend these essential, upsell, and cross sell. I highly recommend that because I already use there a lot of apps and they work like a charm. So you have a ton of flexibilities in here and you can go through that. Make sure you give it a try, and yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, you can stay tuned for more. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.